Welcome to the Gen 5 Basic User video series. My name is George and I'm a training specialist here at BioTek Instruments. In this video, we'll be discussing the Task Manager. When you open Gen 5, the Task Manager should automatically populate in the center of your screen. On the left of the Task Manager, you'll see a series of icons. These icons have various functions to assist you in task navigation. The Task Manager provides quick links to give you instant access to executing a new read, opening and creating new experiments and protocols, as well as viewing the most recently used experiments and protocols. We provide instrument control over functions such as plate in and plate out, incubate, prime and dispense, lamp control, shake, and other instrument-specific operations. In the Setup tab, we provide access to your system preferences, security settings, as well as access to the system menu. And finally, we provide access to our comprehensive help menu, our FAQs, and our sample files that we include in the software and online. At any time, feel free to contact our technical support at the email or phone numbers below. Thank you for following along.